Hello friends, welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. As all of us know, nowadays most of the companies are providing permanent work from home jobs for IPDRG as well as same day surgery coding. So because of that reason, nowadays there is a huge competition for surgery coding. As all of you know, we are providing quality education with minimal fee. Most of our subscribers requested us to provide same day surgery live chat training. So far, we have completed nearly 5 batches. So, September 30th, 2023 onwards, we are going to start new batch for same day surgery like SDS as well as ambulatory surgery live chat CPT coding training. So, in this live session, you are going to learn most basics of same day surgery coding, including surgical terms related to instruments, common surgical procedures, common anatomical positions for surgical procedures. You are going to learn NCCI modifiers. You are going to learn how to calculate RVU, and you are going to learn how to identify the edits, and also you are going to learn 10,000 to 60,000 series 50 live chats using step-by-step process. So in this training, we are going to use nearly 5 softwares in order to help you understand. So the duration of this training is 5 to 6 weeks. So the price for or fee for this training is only 5,000. So if anyone interested, please send your name and mobile number to cptsurgery3 at the rate of gmail.com. So our team member will call you and you can clear all your doubts. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this session.